Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore WordPress site from UpdraftPlus on VPS step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Log into your VPS using Secure Shell, SSH. Navigate to the directory where your WordPress site is installed. Ensure that you have UpdraftPlus installed and activated. Access your WordPress dashboard by entering your website URL followed by /wp-admin. In the dashboard, locate the UpdraftPlus option in the left sidebar. Click on Backups/Restore within the UpdraftPlus section. You will see a list of your available backups. Identify the backup you want to restore from the list. Click on the Restore button next to the selected backup. A new window will appear with restoration options. Select the components you wish to restore, such as files, database, plugins, and themes. Click the Restore button to initiate the restoration process. Wait for the restoration process to complete. Once finished, you will see a confirmation message. Close the confirmation window. Verify that all website components are functioning properly. Check that the latest backup date reflects in the UpdraftPlus settings. Conduct a thorough review of your site's content and functionality. If any issues arise, consult the UpdraftPlus documentation or support forums. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.